In an era of groundbreaking technological advancements, the dream of soaring freely in the skies, once confined to the realm of science fiction, has now become a reality. A wide array of advanced personal flying devices is being developed and tested, ushering in a new chapter in transportation and space exploration. From traditional jetpacks to cutting-edge devices like the Flyboard Air or gravity jet suit, technology has created airborne vehicles with revolutionary designs, impressive capabilities, and unique experiences for users. This article introduces some of the most outstanding flying devices of today, from the Flyboard Air, which broke the world record for the farthest flight, to the Alpha Jetman, which has brought the dream of unlimited flight to life. Additionally, you'll explore other designs such as the gravity jet suit, Jetpack Aviation JB 10, and Hoverbike Scorpion 3, each offering a distinctive flying style and operational capacity. Whether designed for sports, exploration, or practical support, these devices are not only technological breakthroughs, but also testaments to human ingenuity and relentless creativity. Let's delve into the fascinating world of personal flight and discover these extraordinary inventions. Alpha Jetman. The Alpha Jetman was developed by Swiss military-trained pilot and aviation enthusiast Yves Rossi, driven by the idea of unaided flight. After more than 25 years of research and innovation, the Alpha Jetman has made this dream a reality. This system uses a wingsuit equipped with a semi-rigid carbon fiber wing with a span of about 2.4 meters. It is powered by 4 powerful JetCat P550 turbine engines on the wings, providing 88 pounds of thrust. Weighing 54 kilograms, this amazing device can reach speeds of up to 407 km/h. The Alpha Jetman allows users to drop from hovering helicopters or achieve lift using an autonomous VTOL system. With engines made from aluminum and Inconel and wings made from carbon fiber and fiberglass, the system offers the lightweight durability needed to reach altitudes of up to 6,100 meters, with a flight duration of 13 minutes. Gravity Jet Suit. The Gravity Jet Suit by Gravity Industries is a jet suit that allows users to fly at speeds of up to 137 km/h for up to 10 minutes. It is the result of months of research and development and combines 5 jet engines with 3D printing technology and a heads-up display to monitor fuel levels. The Gravity Jet Suit has successfully flown at events in over 20 countries and is renowned for its ability to reach altitudes of 3.6 kilometers with ease. Users control movement by adjusting their hands, which manage 4 of the 5 mini-jet engines. Currently, no license is required to operate the suit. Weighing just 27 kilograms, excluding fuel, it is available for purchase in London for $443,000. Martin Jetpack. Still in development, the Martin Jetpack has garnered attention for its unique features. It uses 2 ducted fans for lift and a 2.0-liter V4 piston gasoline engine with 200 horsepower. Key selling points include easy maintenance, torque-neutral functionality for simplified flight control, and load-bearing capacity, making it invaluable for transporting people or equipment to remote areas. The Martin Jetpack can fly for up to 30 minutes at speeds of 56 km/h and reach altitudes of up to 910 meters. The current model is expected to sell at prices starting at $200,000. Flyboard Air. The Flyboard Air combines the best features of a jetpack and a hoverboard. It was developed by renowned French watercraft rider Frankie Zapata with the goal of being the ultimate personal travel vehicle. The Flyboard Air quickly proved its worth by breaking the Guinness World Record for the farthest flight by a hoverboard, achieving a distance of 2,052 meters in April 2016. The Flyboard Air is estimated to fly at altitudes of up to 3,000 meters, with a maximum flight time of about 30 minutes and a top speed exceeding 200 km/h. It has also been demonstrated to comfortably carry loads of up to 200 kilograms. Designed to work with human balancing abilities, the Flyboard Air requires no pilot training to operate. It is powered by 5 turbines and uses kerosene as fuel. Even with only 1 functional engine, the Flyboard Air is capable of performing a controlled descent. Jetpack Aviation JB 10. The Jetpack Aviation JB-10 is a turbo-powered machine featuring two specially modified turbojet engines, each capable of producing 200 pounds of thrust. This enables the JB-10 to reach speeds of up to 193 km/h. It is controlled by vectoring the entire engine, offering unparalleled maneuverability and speed control. The Jetpack Aviation JB-10 comes in two versions: an ultralight version with a maximum speed of 105 km/h, limited to 20 liters of fuel, which does not require a pilot's license, and a more extreme experimental version that requires a pilot's license and professional training due to no limits on speed or fuel capacity. With prices starting at $250,000, the JB-10 has been extensively tested in the United States and internationally, earning widespread acclaim. Hoverbike Scorpion 3. The Hoverbike Scorpion 3, developed by Russian company Hoversurf, combines motorcycle technology with quadcopter design for an extreme sporting experience. It features a monocoque frame made of carbon fiber, offering exceptional durability and lightweight construction. Powered by a hybrid battery with a capacity of 12.3 kWh, the Hoverbike Scorpion 3 can fly for up to 40 minutes in drone mode and fully recharges in just 2.5 hours. Weighing 114 kilograms, it is suitable for both professional and amateur riders without requiring a pilot or motorcycle license.